Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. And if you have any questions today after the call, any questions regardless of what it is, or specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. Let's move on to attachment number 4 there. Attachment number 4 reads real plain and simple. It's motivation that gets you going. It's discipline that keeps you growing. Motivation is a starting point. Again, as I said earlier, why are you doing this? Why are you in this freight sales profession? Once you figure out why it is, once you figure out your why, then you're going to set your goals and motivate yourself to move on to the actual skills that's required to persevere on a daily level. So motivation is the starting point. Motivation will get you going. It's discipline. It's the daily disciplines that will keep you going. Motivation gets you going. Discipline keeps you growing. Plain and simple. Do you have any questions again? Do you have any questions about today's call? What I went over about motivation is so important. It's so important that you motivate yourself the correct way. Or more importantly, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me, Ted Keys, a call. I'm at 626-309-9141. Great topic for today, motivation. Take these skills, apply them. You'll be amazed at what happens to your results.